this morning, I feel like I need to size down, and I'm just gonna walk over these rocks, throwing this tiny little spinnerbait. See if I can coax anything into hitting it. Got one. Little bitty dude, little fish. Come here. You need to do a study on what the color of bass tell you about the forage, or what you ought to be throwing. Nice clean little fish.
At this point, I had a number of fish swipe at the Strike King Mini King, but not take it, so I added the big bite baits cane thumper and pinched it in half as a trailer. I believe this decision was critical in the last few bass I caught today, but proved even more important in a trip I would take the next morning.
Try not to bobble on my butt.
There were a number of other bass fishermen out this morning, but I didn't see anyone land anything, except for one man who was crappie fishing with live minnows. Another reason I like using the cane thumper is it slows the rate of fall, which keeps me in the strike zone longer and also keeps me from losing as many lures.
Number 3. Another little bitty dude. Fun nonetheless. That's too muddy to go down here, so I'm just gonna let him go.
There you have it, at least from my bank fishing position, downsizing paid off. Thanks for watching, and here are 2 videos YouTube thinks you might like.